This is Agnes, who earns a living by working for people in the villages. Our team reached out to see how she can be helped.
Oyiyanka omukazi kola wagenda wakola lyokakalimu kola wagura omwana ekyokulya ogura amavuta buli kimu kola omwana kale yaba smart okasemerwa nkomuzaire yitabamu tutine omwana obunkamuzara kuga ise nantokenda nkabanta
omwana okatakamira
ise nkabanta kamara
ise tokamira na hati
Mororera hati ali physics Uganda.
I have my elder son, Atoire Derek, whom have been struggling with since his childhood. He always asks me about his father, and I tell him that your father will one day come back. Don't worry. His father left me after impregnating me, so my son grew up without knowing the father.
Ali omwana nayenda muno kusoma ese embeera tinyina nungi muno betuwe okuye nayenda muno kusoma Nigeria butabika bubuzire na uniform teine nenkaita akabatine bikabironi be yatandikire nabyo byakaba buli stoping size already yagenze nabyo isomero baitu ekiro namugambire dero tajje isomero akara yangamba mano ebinyine nibengena nabyo.
My son loves studying. When I told him not to go to school because I had no money to buy books, pens, pencils, sets, school fees, uniforms, school shoes, and others, he started crying and later told me that he has decided to go to school no matter what situation. Later, our team reached his school, Karami Primary School, where they took for him school uniforms and other scholastic materials and also cleared his school fees. All our children deserve education.